So today's video I'm going to be using WeQueen hair. This is the cute packaging that it comes in, and inside the box there is also a cute bag that the wig is in. There are care instructions as well as a wig cap that I didn't use and adjustable straps that I also did not use. So this is what the wig looks like. It comes with more care instructions attached to the mesh. It's a cute, I think this is 10 inches, but I will be sure to leave all the specs and details below. It is pre-plucked and it comes with a fake scalp, so you don't have to do any bleaching to the wig at all. It also comes with 2 combs on the side, a comb at the back, and a mesh at the back, as well as these adjustable straps. Those are where the adjustable strap goes, and I ended up cutting that off. Here I am just showing you guys what the wig looks like on, and looking back at the video, I should have put foundation on the edge of the lace, but I made it work. And then I just cut the ear tabs off. It was extremely hard to do on camera, and I was super proud of myself that I did that. This is also my second time applying a frontal, so bear with me. I don't feel like I did pretty bad for my second time. So here I'm just going to cut the lace and prepare to glue it down. The glue that I'm going to be using is by Isha's. I don't remember which one this is. I think the Firm Hold. And I'm just going to apply that glue on the outside, well, the edges of my hair. I know I used a lot of glue, guys. I did. So, excuse that. Then I'm just going to stick that down and blow dry it. So I didn't show you guys the entire side of my head of me gluing this side down because I felt like I had messed up. So I know it probably looks terrible, but bear with me. It's all going to come together in the end, so just stay tuned to the end. But here I am applying a lot more glue. So here is where I noticed that I needed to cut off some more lace. So you will see me do that. I did have too much lace on the hair, but that's okay because I fixed it. And right where you see the light parts is where I said earlier that I should have applied foundation or something on the lace. And then I'm also terrible at cutting laces, guys. Like, it just looks a mess, but it all came together. And yeah, I'm just going to let the video play and I will come back at the end. So here's the end results. I really like it. Like, the lace is melting, honey. I did that. I also really love this hair. Like, it is so bouncy. It does not tangle, which I really don't know if bob hair, like short hair, tangles, but like this hair is just so bouncy. It looks so natural and I love it. Highly recommend this hair. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you would like to see more hair reviews, also give this video a thumbs up. And I really do appreciate you guys for watching. Don't forget to check out the description box for the direct link to this hair. See you guys in my next video.